An executive townhome situated within the sought-after Breakers condominium complex in beautiful South Ajax. Welcome to 38 Cumberland Lane. This three-story home offers the convenience of a large coat closet and garage access off the ceramic tiled entrance hallway, which leads to a ground-level family room with a French door entry, parquet hardwood floors, and with a walkout to the backyard patio. A combined laundry and storage area, as well as a powder room, are also found on this level, with a carpeted staircase leading to the main level and its generously sized living spaces and stylish finishes. The open-concept living and dining rooms exude comfort and modern elegance, with features such as laminate floors, a gas fireplace with tiled hearth and facing, a glass block window for combined natural light and privacy, a walkout onto a private deck with views of Lake Ontario, crown molding and chair rail, pot lighting, and a wall niche. The equally stylish kitchen and breakfast area offers abundant work and family space, as well as another walkout onto a private deck, extending entertaining and dining outdoors during the summer months. This space also showcases a wall of windows with panel track blinds for privacy and light control, a built-in pantry and servery area, ample cabinetry and counter space, stainless steel sink with dish drainer, and appliances including oven with gas cooktop. An open tread hardwood staircase leads to the upper level, which is finished with broadloom throughout and features two brightly lit bedrooms, a washroom, and a den area. The four-piece washroom is finished with an elegantly designed pedestal sink and toilet, as well as a luxurious bath and shower area. And the den can also be used as a private home office, a large storage room, or as a nursery or toddler's bedroom. This home also has access to many of the condominium complex amenities, including 24-hour security, indoor pool, party room, gym, library, and visitor parking. The second bedroom is generously sized, with plenty of natural light and closet space, and this level is also complete with separate linen and storage closets. A glass block window allows natural light to fill the incredibly bright master bedroom, a graciously sized retreat with abundant closet space, crown molding details, and a wall of windows which also allow for views of the lake. This spacious townhome is just steps away from Ajax's waterfront park and its numerous walking trails, as well as being close to public and GO Transit, Duffins Bay Public and St. James Catholic Schools, shopping plazas, and access to Highway 401.